Hello and welcome to the Toys channel. I've got another video for you to show you how the children's toys work. I've got a Minnie Mouse cash register / till here. I'll show you what you can do with it, how you can use it. It's with a calculator and it's electronic. Minnie Mouse, Disney. And I think it looks really cool. It's for about 3-year-olds. Let me start. Right, the Minnie Mouse cash register, or till they call it in England. You need to have some batteries in there. But that's no problem. As you can see, it looks really nice. You've got all these buttons everywhere. I'm just going to explain you what everything does, how it works. So we've got a roll band here to move the groceries, for example, to scan. We've got a scanner. We've got the numbers. 0, plus, minus, divided, comma, and is, and a button to open the actual till. And we've got a little pen here, 2 little feet, Minnie Mouse shoes, and we've got a swipe card. We've got a for 0, sound on and off, and the microphone. And we've got the on and off button, as you can see. Right, this is the little microphone, so you can say something in the supermarket. And we've got the actual credit or debit card here. That's how it looks. You can place your name on there, or your signature. Right, let's start. So I'm going to turn it on. There we are. And the scanner should have a little light. Right, let's say we've got something to scan. So we've got a battery here. Let's scan it. And you can see the price. $14.20. Quite expensive for a battery. And then we can open it here. There we go, we've got all the notes and the coins. So Minnie Mouse coins. You got different colors here, different numbers. You don't really have much space for the money, that's the only thing. It's really tiny. You got different colors, different notes. So this is a blue one. You need to flatten it a bit. And you can give some money back. So there you go. Right, you can also place it manual what price. So for example, €8.79. Right, we're opening cashier again. Next customer. That's the music. Let's try the microphone. I don't know if you have to leave the button. You might have to leave the button on. Test. I'm not sure how the microphone functions, but I have to check that. Right, here you can see some Velcro here, so you can place different stuff there. This looks really cute. Got a little hard press for the scanner. And you can see on the display how much it costs. So every time you press, it will add a number. 27 pound or 27 euros 25. Right, I showed you one thing I haven't showed you. So we've got the marker pen here, and you can write down on this little thingy. And you can write something down. 3 plus 7 is 10. Yep, there you go. It's kind of hard to read in certain light, but it works. And if you want to erase it, you just leave it up again. And you can place something else on there. A heart. Alright, there we go. The microphone, you need to stay a little bit closer for it to work. It needs to be switched on. Test. I forgot to press on the microphone. Any help at picture 3? It works. It works. The quality of obviously of the microphone, you can't expect that much for a child's toy, but it works. Right, we've got the scan. We've got the card. Oh, I need to pay. Then again, you've got a sound when you place the credit card through. Oh, I can't open the till at the moment. Maybe I need to scan something else. No. Oh, it was stuck. Oh, there we go. Right, I think I showed you everything that I could have showed you here. I've got some coins here, some notes. In the ears of Minnie Mouse, you've got a little cap. You can place the coins in there. Place your coins in there. There you go. You can keep it there. Right, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did that, please subscribe down below to our channel for free and always be the first one to be informed about new videos. We've got loads more videos for you. As you can see, everything's still working. The music, the till. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed it. Give us a comment down below if you'd like. And yeah. Let's say you have a look on our other videos, and hopefully we'll see you soon. Have a good day. Bye.